Hello everybody, this is Brandon Lewis here for 1495 Sports, and we are here in Newark, Delaware for the ECWA Raising the Bar 2 show, and I am standing by Aiden Chambers, who had his second to last match, and it was a hard-fought battle, and you came out victorious. How's that feel?
It feels awesome. It's awesome to be in front of this crowd that I've been in front of for a decade. It's awesome to see the same faces. It's awesome to get victories. It's a good way to go out.
Yeah, and as you mentioned, this is second last match. The next match is going to be July 13th, right back here in the Boys and Girls Club, and you're going to be going against your partner for this match, the Flying Hawaiian Kakoa.
Yep.
That's got to be both bittersweet. I don't know how you're feeling about that.
Well, we faced each other last year around this time, and he got one up on me. So if I'm going to have to go out, I want one up on him. That way he can't sleep really good at night, and I can walk out on my high horse in victory, and I'll always be able to point and laugh. If I come back and visit, I'll just point and laugh.
Well, I had a great time here watching your performance. I'm looking forward to next month. Not next month. Yeah, next month, July. Yeah. We are in June. It is June 1st. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that performance, and best of luck.
Thank you very much. It was awesome.
This is Brandon Lewis here with Aiden Chambers for 1495 Sports.